Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from videos with or without CapCut. So in here, I've already opened the videos on my CapCut and you can see, let's say that this video has a watermark on it, and here the first way that you can do on CapCut to remove the watermark is you can just scale up the videos. So you can just zoom in the videos like this, and after that you can see the watermark will not visible on the clip, but as you guys can see here, some of the part of the video might be cropped like this, so it might not be a better solution. So the second way is you can just use masking. So let's copy the clip, duplicate the clip, and then make one of the clip as overlay, and then here on the overlay video you can just use masking. Okay, so let's isolate some part of the video to cover the clip. You can see I'm going to just isolate like this. You can click on the check icon, and then on the overlay video you can just drag the clip, the part that you have already isolated, to cover the watermark, and just like that. And here you can go to mask again to adjust the edge so that the it will look more natural, like this. For example, click on the check icon, and that's it. Now the watermark has been covered. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.